Hello, my dear students of class 6. Today, I am here to conduct a new class, a new lesson. Dear students, I hope you are all well in this pandemic situation. And this is Mohammad Enamul Kabir. Welcome to my English class. Dear students, do you know the famous quote about health? Yes, very easy like water. Health is wealth. But my question is, when you suffer from illness, what you do then? Yes, you go to a doctor or take medicine. Sometimes you take honey for cold, or sometimes you take capsule or tablet, isn't it? So, can you guess today's discussion? Yes, my dear students, today I will discuss remedies, modern and traditional. Lesson 10, part 1. Dear students, look at the following pictures, match them with their names given in the box. Please match them with their names given in the box. Please do it yourself. Okay. Which one is paracetamol? Yes, this is paracetamol. Holy basil or tulsi? Yes, this is holy basil or tulsi. Which one is antacid? Yes, this is antacid. And then honey. Then neem, very familiar tree. Yes. Then sablon. It is also very familiar. And then turmeric. Yes, and the last one is aloe vera. Okay, thank you very much. Dear students, it's now time to learn vocabulary. The first word is herb. Please pronounce this word herb. So, what would be the meaning of herb? Please guess. The meaning is a type of plant used in cooking and medicine. Please make a sentence with the word herb. A large number of herbs and spices are used in cooking. The next word, ancient. Please pronounce this word, ancient. Please guess the meaning of ancient. The meaning is coming from a time in the past. Coming from a time in the past. Please make a sentence with the word ancient. We need to protect ancient monuments. The next word, rural. What would be the meaning of rural? The meaning is in or from the countryside. In or from the countryside. Please make a sentence with this easy word quickly. The area is still very rural and undeveloped. The next word is owned. Owned. What would be the meaning of owned? Yes, the meaning is a hurt or injury to the body. A hurt or injury to the body. Please make a sentence with the word owned. Okay. The meaning, the sentence is, he had a deep wound in his arm. He had a deep wound in his arm. Thank you very much. Dear students, please open your exercise book and read the text. Please open your exercise book and try to read the text. This time, I am trying to read the text. Okay, please listen carefully. People around the world are slowly changing their attitude towards medicine. More and more, they are turning to natural cures. Natural cures are made of natural things, most often herbs and plants. History says that natural or herbal remedies are nothing new. People use them all along in different ages. Herbal medicines were used in ancient civilizations like India, China, Greece, Egypt, and Rome. Some ancient treatment systems are still in practice today. They have calmed down through generations. For a minor burn injury, the doctor may prescribe you a tube of ointment. But for the same, a rural grandma may put some aloe vera or use cold water. If children have cold in our country, grandmas give them honey and tulsi leaves to eat. And it works too. If you have a minor cut or wound, grown-ups may put some turmeric, marigold or aloe vera on it. Rural people usually use garlic, neem or turmeric to cure skin problems. With experience, they have seen that these remedies work. Moreover, they are easy to get, are cheap, and most often are without any side effects. Very effective text. So here is a task for you. Find out the items for natural cures and chemical. Write the names of natural cures in column A. In the column B, write the items that are chemicals. Very easy task. One example is shown. Please do it quickly. Okay, let's take the answer. Natural cures: honey, then neem, then turmeric, then aloe vera, and then holy basil or tulsi. Chemicals: Savlon, then paracetamol, then antacid. Okay, dear students, the last one is Barnal ointment. So dear students, please bring your exercise book and pen and try to answer the questions. The first question: what are natural cures made of? The next question: are herbal cures modern inventions? Then, which civilizations are known for herbal treatments? What natural remedies are used for cold? Can you add any more natural treatment for cold? And the last one: what herbal cures are used for skin problems? I will give you 8 minutes to answer these questions. Please pause the video and try to write down the answer of these questions. Okay, let's check the answer. What are natural cures made of? Natural cures are made of natural things, most often herbs and plants. Are herbal cures modern inventions? Herbal cures are not modern invention, they are ancient. The next question: which civilizations are known for herbal treatments? Ancient civilizations like India, China, Greece, Egypt, and Rome knew for herbal treatments. The next question: what natural remedies are used for cold? Can you add any more natural treatment for cold? Different natural remedies are used for cold. Honey and tulsi leaves are used to cure cold. Lemon juice, hot water, and honey together work well in healing cold. Fluids such as water, herbal teas, fruit drinks, or ginger juice, etc. can be taken to cure colds. What herbal cures are used for skin problems? For skin problems, garlic, neem, or turmeric is used. Thank you very much. Dear students, here is a homework for you. Make a list of all the natural healing ingredients around your home. I repeat that. Make a list of all the natural healing ingredients around your home. So dear students, this is the class. Thank you very much. See you again.